The paradox of universal unity. Everything, without exception, is a manifestation of biology, and the biology of our universe is intrinsically complex, defined by its purpose. This purpose reveals itself through the coexistence of two diametrically opposed yet inextricably linked natures, light and darkness. These antagonistic forces, far from canceling each other out, serve as the backbone of all existence, encompassing everything from animate forms of biology to eternal ones. The one cannot exist without the other. Their opposition is the driving force that ensures the continuity and dynamism of being, establishing the foundation for the eternal nature of life. The bio-chrony of transmuted light. The tree is life, and the root is its adversity. The unified and definitive concept. Supreme consciousness manifests through a biological pattern that proliferates and diversifies via a constant analogy, wherein life is not an isolated force but a process of the procreation of its own consciousness. In this divine order, adversity constitutes the mandatory dwelling place of the root. It is the dense, opposing ecosystem, the nature of the adverse, Satan, serving as the sole sustenance capable of supporting the expansion of the eternal nature of life. Without this resistance, life, both the animate and the eternal, would lack the tension and coherence necessary to exist and to elevate the consciousness that emerges from the intrinsic ignorance of adversity. The sacred vehicle of this transformation is the human nature of light. Through the biological mechanism, pure energy clothes itself in humanity to generate the soul. It is within the soul that the alchemical miracle occurs. Light uses adversity as fertilizer to blossom, bringing into existence that which previously was not. Thus, human life is not an end in itself, but the biological process through which energy acquires self-awareness, demonstrating that the greatest light is that which has struck its roots into the deepest darkness to transform it into glory.